Le Chatelier's principle is that when a system is at equilibrium and somehow it experiences a type of stress, what's going to happen is the reaction will shift in order to relieve that stress until it reaches equilibrium again. There are several stressors that a reaction could be exposed to, which include changes in concentrations, changes in pressures, and changes in temperature, just to name a few. We're going to explore these and a few others. If we increase the concentration of any component of a system in equilibrium, a shift is going to occur. The point of the shift will be for the reaction to use up some of the additional substance. If we were working with this following reaction, iodine gas plus hydrogen gas is in equilibrium with 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. If we added additional iodine, we're going to force the reaction out of equilibrium.